Introducing our smallest mini ratchet. This new mini ratchet is less than 2 inches long and one of most compact and versatile ratchet yet. The mini ratchet has a 1/4-inch hex shank base, making it compatible with various tools. That typically holds regular 1/4-inch bits, such as the screwdriver handles, multi-tools, utility knives, and other EDC gear. The hex shank base also means you can store it in the CROM bit holder keychain. Simply plug in to lock and pull back collar to release. It's compatible with most standard 1/4-inch bits and extensions, making it a great all-purpose ratchet without taking up space. Get yours today.